This video will explain the different types of prepared slides you will use to identify the stages of cell mitosis. You will be looking at the following 4 types of prepared slides. Number 1, ileum root tip longitudinal section. Number 2, ileum root tip squash. Number 3, ileum root tip squash irradiated. And number 4, whitefish blastula thin section. Always make sure that you are using the right slide for the exercise that you are studying in your lab manual. The slides and boxes are color-coded, but always check the slide label. When looking under the scope, note that there may be a number of sections on each slide. You should get in the habit of searching the whole slide and using all sections of the samples present. Also, it's a good idea to view multiple slides to see the variations possible. If you have any questions about what you're seeing, ask faculty or CLA. First, learn to recognize the different mitotic stages of ileum longitudinal section slides. Longitudinal sections are thin slices through a sample, like a thin page as a section of a book. Refer to the diagram in your lab manual to locate the meristem region of active cell division in the root tip. Use the diagrams in your text, lab manual, and in the BLC to identify the specific stages of mitosis and record your observations as instructed in the lab manual. Next, look at the mitotic figures in ileum prepared as a squash sample. The cells of tissue have been separated and smashed or squashed onto a microscope slide. Different forms of irradiation often damage cells by interfering with the process of mitosis. This damage is often visible and can be seen as abnormal mitotic figures. Locate evidence of irradiation damage in your sample. And record your observations in your lab manual. Observe the differences in animal and plant cell division by studying the whitefish blastula slides. Refer to the diagrams in your text and in the BLC. Notice the differences in animal and plant cell division, and record your observations in your lab manual.